so I'ma take my time now.
Today I got another two-step banger.
Yes, Your Honor. Pendula.
Uyamazi DJ Vic and Tremora. No need. You can hear his sound and the voice. Ngapikisa kudala bona reactor kubo apho be for sure never jonga mos.
Pendula ke.
Obvious, this is going to be a banger. Make sure you check up all my things. I'm going to have a stream, only YouTube stream, you know. So make sure ukon. But I'm going to announce the date. Make sure in one corner pan. Monday to Sunday, tinge. Let's go, Shimo. Yeah, bonke sengcinga ngani yabo le khomba ndazi bayifumene njani le khomba bazibona okay thina swethu sitrain up if uyabona udlala thuzini enzinqumalo I think ikhomba bafana bahamba nayo leyo if sithinyana I think abasebenzela la khomba yasebenzela la khomba bona wethu but ke yazi into
Khange unikhumbuze kaloku befana
but ke badinga okay I don't think bayidinga kodwa izinto ze-challenges owamculo I think uzamla train but ekugqibeleni funeke bazenzile i-challenges so that umculo wabo uzihamba kakhulu more or bahlale be-relevant inzima into dibene yabo even nama naye no TikTok ana TikTok but I make a way because let's repeat once.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll let my client answer for themselves. Yes, Your Honor.
Make sure you keep cooking, guys. I'm out. See you in the next video, and make sure you check my coming stream. Make sure you comment on that stream. Be out.
I trap inkinga ingxaki hey